Alright everybody, so this morning it was a good morning. Everything there go smooth until me come out and look for my car wheel. Boy, car wheel flat this morning. So me I go now look now, me I try and see what me can do with it. If anything me have to bring it on the road and see if we can repair. Hopefully me not have to go on the road. So me have a pump where me use. I use battery and everything. So me I use it and see if we can get the pump, you know. So I try and see what we can do before we have to go on the road or anything. Hopefully we not have to do it. So I get cracking, you know. Alright.
So don't you have to use the plug thingy that you have?
Yeah, you can't plug it until you find the hole.
Oh yeah, pump it up first to find it hole. That I don't pump. Let's see that I don't pump. Just a little bit. Turn a little. Oops, I was like, what? You found it?
Yeah.
Oh, what the banana cheese that? Is he sitting right there? Oh my goodness. You have to go back here a little bit, make it come up by top.
Yeah. Plug, push, push.
Oh, so you put it back forward. Continue a little bit more. Little bit more. You see, you can do it from this side, like you want to go down a little bit more. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, tell me, so you find it old. Oh, what in it? Yeah, you can hear it a little.
Alright everybody, so we find the culprit, we find the hole. You see why night tire? See it right here, so right here.
So that means that yesterday when I did hear something for real.
Alright, so whatever in night tire, see it right there, so.
You can hear a little.
Can hear a little tire. See it right here. See it?
Oh wait, because
you see it when you put the finger over it, it stop.
so that means there's something where
It's like a straw. You see it?
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
No, so this is serious.
Oh, this. I get the plug.
Yeah, tell him how you are.
Alright everybody, so right now we have the plug kit. We have the drill we use and plug it, clean the hole and stop the leak as well. And then this now we use and put in the patch. And this is the glue, the patch. So right now I have to get the pliers because something break off inside there. So I'm try to pull it out right now.
Oh, we'll go find out how.
Yeah. We keep this close, we plug the hole as soon as we take it out.
Oh.
thing hard to come out.
Oh, see how was that? Oh, see. Oh, Nancy! What is that?
The leak out, you may what I say.
That whole broad. Wow. You look at something. Oh gosh, let's see what it is. What is this? Look at that. That's what's causing the problem, people. Look at that. What was causing the problem?
Alright, everybody, so we're gonna deal with this quick because it'll leak out fast, you know. So, first thing first, you put this inside here. Pull this through with the pliers, make it quicker. It halfway. Then I put on some glue real fast because it'll leak quick. That
A whole heap of glue you have to put on it?
Put some glue.
So if you have a hole bigger than that, it's not gonna work.
Yeah,
No.
it's cold.
Yeah?
Yeah, go see what I got.
Oh.
And so, I personally like use a lot of glue with this.
The glue them was strong. Oh. Okay. Let's see, get it in. Again, you say stop already.
So you're gonna push this until it go all the way in. Alright, so that all the way in. So you're gonna hold it with one big jug.
And then you push on your side?
I'll leave it in there.
Oh, so that will just stay like that?
Normally we cut this off,
Yeah, but
the end,
yeah.
but we don't have to cut it off.
Wait, I
It
just...
has press out by itself.
Yeah, it probably just pressing a crease when it start dry. Wow. Really? That's how easy it is?
Alright, so
So how long you have to make it wait?
not have to wait. As
Till
you
it-
can see, the inside,
And it stop.
this piece stick out because we use a long plug. This is a long plug we use. So you notice a longer piece leave out. So just make it glue dry up a little bit. Probably cut this off with the scissors, maybe about here.
When it dry?
No, you can cut it now.
The pliers
And
can cut
then-
it. Maybe pliers, the cut side of pliers can cut.
Alright people, so
Sticky.
we use the pliers and cut it. So that good. So successfully we find a hole.
Show them, get this up and show them away a bit. What is that? Sit here. Sit there.
Yeah, so this is what was in the tire, everybody. This. So you can see this piece puncture through. You see it out the rubber going.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
And then I let out the hair.
Yeah, so if we have a hole here I come through.
Cause maybe if you never know what just plug it
You would have no, it would have slowly
slowly.
because it don't have edge like screw.
Yeah,
It's a
for
block, so it has slowly.
wow.
So thank God everybody will find a hole, plug him,
Woo!
and
Yeah.
we don't have to go up on the road and pay no money to fix a wheel, you know.
A lot of people never get one of that kit here keeping on the
Yeah,
car. And him
This-
slime.
I always try to keep this in a car.
And one of
This
them
is
somewhere.
this is a plug kit. This is made, but this is a slime brand. Alright. Definitely recommend this brand if you're gonna buy one. It's very good. So
Tell him say second time we are using
this is the second time I use it
on the same car.
on the same jar. So
Same side too. Oh god.
you put this up back.
You gonna put more ear in it?
Yeah.
And this to people necessary or one compressor I guess. Is that
Yeah.
pump?
That is a portable
Pump.
18 volt pump, so it uses a battery. The battery here. So this is the battery.
I want portable compressor that way though.
Yeah, I can get a portable compressor, which me think is a good investment, so me I get one. So it make it more, I would say 4 times quicker for your pump. No? But coming from a completely flat tire to this, it never take really long. It do it really fast, around 2 minutes. You take it, keeping into consideration that it be a leak while we are pump it. So, not too bad.
Just something you take your band dash you
this I cover for the
this in there. Yeah, you're right for the, oh gosh. You have to make it glue dry out tight.
Yeah, might be up. This bus.
Let's put it on the glue, seal it down. You see like the glue, seal it down.
Okay, so this kit, people, I would definitely recommend keep a kit like this in your car and pliers or something. Very important, and it can save you a lot of money.
Yeah, if you see.
Alright, so we are pumping up back here now, you know? Just a little patch. Alright, so everybody, right, that's what you see. I'm making 30 psi now, 35. I'm not going to look over to 40, just in case the pressure drop a little. Not too low. Everybody, so you can see the charge now. So, I just set my turn off the pump and now cover up my wheel and call it a day, you know? Alright, so that's the video.
Yes, a release back out here if you don't be careful.
Yeah, as you can see, don't pump now. Little pump your bad, me I tell you. Alright, let me do the cover for this man.
You did that, don't sit here. Remember if you draw out the glue because it didn't have. So look at that close up.
Yeah, so don't know if don't patch up anything already, you know? No ear, no leak, no hear, no sound. Everything good. So, keep that. Call it a day, we'll fix. You never have to spend no money, we'll fix it right there, so like that, you know?
And how much will the kit you use?
Remember, cheap, not
Cheap.
less than $5.
You see, less than $5.
Less than $5 you get kit for the plug kit, and you're good to go, you know?
You have a couple use out of it.
That's a 15 minutes fix.
And I don't even think it's so much.
Yeah, less than 20 minutes, less than half an hour fix.
I don't even think that's so much.
That includes the finding hole and everything. Yeah, so keep that will pump you up, you get the right PSI, and this you don't really need this. If you test the pressure of your wheel, like a pressure tester, because you actually have one eye back at this. So if you have that, you're good to go. And your plug kit, always work with them there. And you're good to go. So reach it in a video. So remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Alright, peace.